Hi there, fellow citizens of India and everyone all over the world who really trust in Tata products, the best quality product, and the attitude, QQMA, quality, quantity, and the attitude, mental attitude, is excellent of Ratan Tata. And it was excellent right from the beginning of the founding father Jamshedji Tata. And they are still having grip. They are philanthropic, they are kind, they are generous, they are trying to give the best product to the citizens of India and to people all over the world. In this video, I want to talk about one of the best products, the 5-star rated safety featured Tata Nexon, which is parked in my garage, you can see from here. But the cheap mentality of the Tata Motors chief, Chandra, I don't know whether he is aware of this or not. The lower rank people have compromised the safety of this car. I'm very much pained because I'm a retired person, I don't have money, I sold my house and bought this car. And when I examined thoroughly, I saw in this car, the company has provided the very small tires in the lower variants. They have 18 variants, starting from XM, XMS, XMA, XMS automatic. Then they go up to Jets, and then they have the dark edition, and everything is fine, dear friends. But when the car is rated 5-star on safety features, definitely the grip of the tire with the ground also matters. If the tire like 215 by 60 R16 will have better grip, and the tire which is less in surface area contact with the road 195 by 60 R16 will have lesser grip. Without bringing this matter to the notice of the new car testing commission, these people have manipulated, and bottom line they are giving smaller tires. One video I have already made. That is, they are giving only 195 by 60 R16, which is very painful to me. And I made a very rigorous and vigorous complaint about it to all the customers who have bought Nexon and who trust Tata Motors. But the cheap mentality, the corrupt mentality, penny wise, pound foolish, he has dented the image of this Tata Nexon by giving a smaller tires. I'm a car lover. The first car I bought from Tata was Tata Estate, Tata Safari. And every brand of Tata I love. I take Tata tea, everything, Tata television, everything I go for Tata. Tata internet connection, because I trust and I love Mr. Ratan Tata and his all forefathers and ancestors. But these cheap people, without bringing such matters to the greatest man of India, who deserves thousands of Bharat Ratna, he is denting his image. That's why I told you. Penny wise, pound foolish. These fools want to save few rupees by giving cheap tires. What a shameless Mr. Chandra. Don't you feel ashamed of your attitude? By giving a smaller tire, you can earn more money. Go to Google search, you will see there is a very hundreds of rupees difference between the smaller tire 195 by 60 R16 and 215 by 60 R16. Very marginal difference in the price, but how much it affects the safety. I am a sports person, a retired general. I have driven the most powerful vehicles on this planet Earth. But I see the tire matters, grip matters. The best car which Ratan Tata offered to the citizens of India out of love and affection, you are making a dent on the image by giving a car variation on the tires. We don't demand from Tata to the bottom variants, the lower variants with your alloy wheels. But how can you foolishly give a smaller tires? This shows the corrupt mentality of such fools who really want to create very bad image of Tata. I am very much ashamed. And simultaneously I appeal to the reviewers. Nobody has highlighted this kind of safety compromise by giving a smaller tires. Now I am waiting. When I have driven 60 to 70,000 kilometers, I can only replace this R15 by this R16 tires with specification 195 by 60. Till now I have to bear with. I have no money. I am a broke. I am a retired general. But my tears rolls. My heart bleeds. When I see my tires are smaller. Don't you feel pity on us? We may be poor, man, but we have given blood, toil, stress and sweat to defend the motherland, and now you are cheating us. Viewers, let these fools who are denting Tata image by corrupt means know that customer is the king. Company prosper when consumers are happy. Also I bring the matter to the Customer Commission of India. Once Ratan brand company Tata Motors was slapped 1300.5 crores penalty because they have not distributed the rights to sell their spares to the other dealers. Recently, Maruti, one of the cheapest car maker, compromising safety and befooling Indian citizens, 200 crores has been slapped because they are preventing the customers to give discount to the customers. Shame! Beast! You need only money, no morality, no character, no respect for the citizen of India and abroad. The black sheep, don't dent our brand ambassador, the world best pride of the nation company Tata Brothers, Tata Sons, Tata Motors. I love you, Chandra, but you cheat us. Shame on you. Customers, unite. This is the age of competition. We must highlight these kind of problems. And there are so many reviewers. They are bribed. They talk only brighter parts, but they never talk about the darker sides of this. If you review, be knowledgeable. Every organs and tissues and cells of our body counts. Similarly, every parts of the vehicle also matters. 5-star rated the best car in India, first time, has been dented by giving a smaller tires. Shame, Chandra. Shame to every fool who is rated with this kind of nefarious and crooked activities.